what is the right way of using a database or file connection? Often people directly create the built-in connections or directly creating the job in the design window. But the best practice here is to create the file definition or to create a database connection under the metadata first. Create the metadata once and then reuse that multiple times or at multiple jobs. So this way you can reuse your metadata created across multiple jobs. Even there is a structural change or a data length or data type change, you do that at metadata level and easily propagate to all the jobs that are using it. So this is the right way. Using the metadata is the right way for database or file connection. The next question is, so what are the difference between the built-in and repository settings in Talend? This you will see throughout various sections. If you are adding a source component or target or wherever you are using substructure, you get to see this drop down. Built-in is basically allows you to enter and edit information at this particular job level. It is stored locally. It is not being used by any other jobs. But when you create the structure or the schema in repository, that can be used at multiple jobs at a time. So built-in is locally stored, and a repository is stored at the repository level. Alright, so moving on, the 13th question here is, what is the difference between tmap and tjoin? This is very common and most frequently asked question. A tmap can have more than one lookup. It can have more than one output. It supports inner join and the left outer join. You can filter data using filter expressions. You can even make use of lookup model and join model and everything. It gives a lot of flexibility and it's most widely used component in entire Talend development. As you can see on the right hand side, you have this tmap component which is reading data from users table in this example, and as you can see it can have multiple lookups and you can have join condition defined within the tmap, and also at the same time you can have multiple outputs. You can even have the main output, reject output, or just the output with a different filter criteria. So this is all about tmap. Coming to tjoin, tjoin is used only um, when you wanted to perform just in a join and you have only two tables to do it. The one table would be your main flow and the other table would be treated as a lookup, and you can have only two output here as well. You can have the main output and then the reject output. And compared to tmap, there is no possibility to add any expressions or filter. um, Based on that, you cannot filter anything in the tjoin. But tmap is robust. It can do multiple things at a time, and that's the reason tmap is being used widely. All right. Just a quick note, I'll be uploading a few more videos on performance tuning, interview question and answers. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, write down your comments below and I'll try to answer and come back with more and more informational video for you guys. And if your friends are in need, please make sure you share it with your friends so that they can get benefited from this free series of videos.